It's harvest season in Korea, and farmers in Cheoron are busy these days harvesting rice, which will be shipped out before the Chuseok holiday.
Cheoron, located next to the civilian control line in the demilitarized zone. A combined harvester plows through ripe rice plants. Rice grains are poured into a truck that will transport them back. This is the first harvest of the year in this village. It appears to be better than in previous years. And the farmer looks satisfied.
한여름에는 날씨가 너무 뜨겁고 또 병충해도 심해가지고 마음고생이 좀 많았어요. 어떤 농민들이나 다 똑같이. 하지만 지금 수확해보니까 그래도 평작 이상의 수확이 나오는 것 같아서 상당히 기분이 좋습니다.
This rice variety is called Cheolgi 50. It was developed by the Cheoron Agricultural Technology Center. This rice variety can be harvested earlier than other varieties and shipped before the Chuseok holiday. Some 250 tons of rice will be produced by 18 farms in Cheoron-gun County by the end of this month in time for one of the biggest family holidays in Korea. Last year, rice production in the county fell nearly 17% because of high precipitation. But this year, it's expected to increase by 25% from 2020. Local farmers' efforts to control pests this year have turned out successful despite the capricious weather.
작년에는 저희가 한 20% 정도 그 수확률 감소가 있었습니다. 근데 올해는 작년에 20%를 넘는 한 25% 정도의 그 수확 증가율이 있을 거라고.
The government of Cheoron-gun County plans to increase the production of the Cheolgi 50 rice variety next year to expand its shipment by 8-fold prior to the Chuseok holiday.